Ashley from Wicker again. I was just thinking about all the things we're doing right now and how we can kind of make it easier on ourselves. First, there's always decorating that tree, right? The simplest thing to do is to get construction paper and cut it in strips, and then you can glue or staple them together to make a chain that can go around the tree. You can use any color you want, or you can do the red, green, and black in anticipation of Kwanzaa. Okay, so that's a great decor for the tree. Here's a really nice decor for all of us who love candles but don't want to have a fire. This is just an acrylic or clear plastic glass. You put that together. You get your cotton balls, guys, and you put them in. All right, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna sprinkle your snow. And that can be anything. It's just glitter, whatever color glitter that you like. Now, I have to tell you, gotta use Sharpies or rather permanent markers for this, and would be pretty good to use on your garland too, so that people can see your Christmas wishes when you put it on the tree. So you just decorate whatever you want. I'm not a good artist. So you decorate it, and you have your LED candles. These don't burn, guys. They run on batteries. You just set it inside, and it looks like your candle is in snow. Very simple. And the thing is, if you use things like the plastic plates or anything like that, it'll work. See? There you go. And you can make a bunch of these. You could make 8 or 9 if you're thinking about Hanukkah. You can make your own decorations. If you have plates, you can put them and stack them in the middle of a table. And it's just a really good way, homemade, to decorate. Now here's another thing we have going on. Those wrapping papers, right? Why not have a contest? Ball them up. See how many you can make and have a nice, but good snowball fight or wrapping paper fight. Or you can have a contest to see who can make the biggest or the tightest ones. Okay? And not only does it help you clean up, but now you can play with it after you're done. Another way to go is to play hot potato with your new wrapping paper ball. The thing is, let's not call it hot potato, right? It is Christmas. So let's call it splat. We all know that sound, right? That's when that snowball hits you. So when you pass around your snowball over and over to the music and it stops, whoever's got it, splat, that's it. You're out. And you can keep playing music to it and sing to it, and as you pass the snowball around, waiting to see who gets the splat next. So these are just some suggestions for you. Decorations that are simple, and also how to clean up and help the city clean up by making sure that those paper decorations are nice and tight when they go into the recycling bin. Because there's a lot of boxes after Christmas, a lot of paper after Christmas, and sometimes it's really hard to get them into those bins. Help out. Ball them up. Put them in the boxes. Put the boxes in the boxes. That's a great way to help the city recycle and stay neat. Well, anyway, I just want to say happy holidays, and hey, have fun with it. Be creative. Make up games. We've been doing it forever, and you can too. Happy holidays. Bye from Wicker.